My name is Drew Augustine. I'm an electrician here at DRM, both in field and in the panel shop. DRM does total plant integration, which we go inside factories to make their manufacturing process run smoother and faster. Programming, machining, electrical. TCAT definitely helped me a lot. I started dual enrollment at my senior year in high school with TCAT at Hohenwald and wanted to get a better knowledge of what I was coming into, and kind of put me one step ahead of someone who had just got out of high school, and I knew how to read prints and diagrams, basic and some advanced electrical. After I graduated, it was that very next week that I started my first day here full time. If it wasn't for that governor's grant, I would have had to gone off somewhere else, and it allowed me to stay here, go to school as well. I wouldn't be where I'm at today in my life with my job with this company. I mean, it just wouldn't have been possible. I have not met any Tennessean that isn't hardworking and not afraid to put themselves out there, get the job done, do the best job that we can and more. We're not afraid to step it up and kind of show off a little bit. I'm Drew Augustine, and I'm proud to be part of Tennessee's workforce.